Momsies! Welcome back on my channel. I'm so happy today kay we're back here at Sports Center. I've been here, I've been here, no? But the last time that I was here was, kanun sa pa, during college, elementary, high school, college days. So, mga 90s, early 2000s. Oh my gosh, di ba? So, the reason why I am here today is that I am meeting my friend, literal nga silingan na anak ko, silingan namo, and she is playing soccer, and I'm so happy that I was invited because I'd be able to meet her fellow soccer players as well, all women. So, women empowerment item. So, I will also try kung kaya ba na ako mag-soccer. Mo'y nga niya tong outfit today. So, without much ado mga momsies, let's get into it! So mga momsies, here's my friend, Linlin. Thank you so much sa pag-imbitar sa ako. And then, astig kayo kag forma. Oy, kumusta naman?
Okay lang. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for checking out our practice sessions with Las Tias. And yeah, as she said, silingan me for more than...
Ayaw na kayo mabuking atong mga edad. Manalang ko a few questions kay interesting jud kaayo siya ba, especially now that it's March and we are celebrating International Women's Month, di ba? So very empowering jud kaayo ni. So I grabbed the opportunity nga i-meet jud ta ka, and then ma-meet po na ako ang imuhang fellow soccer mommy friends.
Nayuban mga mommies, nayuban mga titas, then we have a few nga mga among gitawag bebes kay ang uban sa ila kanang college students pa, so we adopted them. Pero Las Tias, as you can see on my jersey,
Okay.
so it stands for in Spanish it stands for aunties.
Oh,
So our aim for this one is to promote football, at the same time fitness, with fellow mommies, with fellow aunties nga who also, well, most of us are actually former players sa mga sa universities,
mga
varsity.
professional players.
No, we're not professional in a way. Not like, in Manila, mga pro players. So majority of us, we came from other universities na varsity, some of us from high school as well. So like for instance,
hobby lang
lang
siya.
yun eh. Yes,
Oo, and
yes.
then you form the group.
yes, so we formed, some of us nag-form lang ni Ani kay just to reunite ang uban nga mga former soccer players, former football players diri sa Dakbayan. And then of course, we also want to invite a few of the mommies out there, a few of the aunties, if you want to learn a new skill. So this one, kung gaka-board mo og sige lagdagan-dagan, but you want other sports to learn, so football is one of them.
And since you talk about open, unsa ni naay membership or unsa
So we are
how to join?
how to
Kasi
join.
mapil ta.
We have our Facebook page called Las Tias. So we will be sharing that, on the
Yes.
comments or whatever. So if you want to join, if you have any questions as a fellow mommy or fellow auntie, so there's no discrimination. There's any age can join us regardless of age.
Oh, basta interested lang
As
jud
long
ka.
as interested ka, if you are willing to learn, if you are well, we don't really care kung skilled ka or not. Ang amo lang jud, we want to promote the sport in a
Correct.
positive way, and of
And,
course,
how often or when ang inyong practices?
so we always meet up here every Saturday at 4 p.m. until sundown. So unless kung magkagabi na, then that's the time we stop, and then muna dayon ang session. So it's usually 2-hour practice, sometimes 1.5 hours. So it kind of depends,
Okay.
because this is an open
Area,
field, open area, so anyone can actually come. There will be other people nga gamiton pud ang field, so
Right.
anyone can come. But sometimes if we have the time as well, aside from here, nasa mi sa MGV, usahay lang. Usahay. So that's another pitch near Country Village Hotel, but usually
Katong in front sa Country Village.
yes, in front sa Country Village.
Okay.
So that's another venue, pero we will post schedules as well. We will post where the venue. Sometimes we go there, but most of the time nami diri.
There's a sports center.
Because it's much more accessible to anyone, to everyone in the team. So
right.
tapos of course, maingganyo pud mi nga while mag-practice mi na may mga fellow football players dito, nga mga younger, mga grassroots level.
Oo.
Another club po na sila. So it's kind of good nga naa ang tanang the community, football community na ami tanan diri, and so ano lang.
It's a good drive for kanang labaw na sa panahon nato karon no nga murag grabe ang social influence sa social media.
Ah, yes.
Murag kalimtan nato nga ang sports, ang kaning inaning environment
Ah,
ma.
yes, yes.
Kita during the 90s, di ba? Literal na rami sa kalsada jud. Di ba si pagtawago namin sa mga mahoy, pauli na mo kay
Oh,
udto na
ana.
ingana pero nami sa kalsada magdulag iskati, patintero, tumbang preso, lakak-lakag tago-tago unsa pagkadihan nung bali-bali pato usahay ka sa
Lagi,
ano.
lagi.
I remember my mom, pauli niya kay matulog sa kuntong dako alas 12 dako namin sa
Yes,
kalsada.
ana mi sa una.
So this time kay mature na ta.
Oh, mature na ta. Oh.
Mature na ta so sports na.
All sports.
na. Oh.
Well, this is one of the ways nga for women out there, if they want to learn a new skill,
Yes.
as I've mentioned a while ago, a new skill, a new sport. At the same time, you get to meet fellow mommies, fellow
Yes.
titas
And
out
these
here.
fellow mommies are working.
Oh yes, majority are working,
Majority
and
are
then
working,
some are sa housewives, but
Yes.
majority are working.
Working.
So,
Very inspiring.
Yes.
Mas hindi ba katuon tag og new skill ka mga tong outfit karon. Sige, di na nato ni dugayon kay.
yes, so-
We'll see how they do it, and unya magpabaga man jud kog naong no.
Try ako ni siyang tudluan. Me or probably one of our coaches. So stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Si jud ko kinawa.
Okay.
Yeah.
So about tournaments, so every year for example, dari sa Cagayan de Oro, so we have this regional associations, mga clubs may ga-organize og mga tournaments here, and also in other places like Iligan, other neighboring areas, ga-kan pa sila og tournaments. And so for us Las Tias, we also join some of these tournaments when our time permits.
When was the last time nga kanang nag-join mo og tournament?
So for us, sa among team, for example, bago naman ni nga team, actually we created this last year.
Oh, okay.
But our first tournament was in El Salvador.
Oh.
So nag-appeal mi adto, I believe that was December, if I remember.
Recently lang.
Recently lang.
Okay, oo.
Yes, and then also we hope to join more tournaments in the coming months, and we will be joining this upcoming tournament this coming April 6.
April 6.
Yes.
Okay, oo. Unsa ni siya nga
Obenza.
tournament?
Obenza Cup. This is spearheaded by Monte Carlo Football Club. So it will be on, like I said, April 6 at MGV.
MG.
So-
Unsa
It kind of depends on how many teams will join. Yes.
Okay, oo.
So in our case, we will be joining the women's open category.
Okay, so good luck sa inyo ha.
yes.
Oh, and then
For this
again,
one, we will teach you a few basic lang nga football drills.
Okay.
Mostly kicking lang ta.
aha.
Okay. You
Ay,
know?
so patagan. Hindi ko ready.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay, para lang pod may bala nimo ang fundamentals of football. So when it comes to football, it's always foot,
Mhm.
and then you can use any part of the body except holding the hands.
okay.
Holding the ball, I mean. Holding the ball.
Okay.
So, except for the goalkeeper, the only person nga who could hold the ball is the goalkeeper. So,
Okay.
he is the last line of defense,
Mm-mm.
usually. And then, so, he is the only one nga makakupot lang og bola.
Okay.
Okay, mo, ang offense, of course, mo try man sila og score the goal. So, siya ra jud ang pwede makakupot. But the rest of the players on field, any part of the body they could use, except for the
Except hands.
hands. So, arms.
So ang arm pwede ra mo ray.
But dili, no. Dili
hindi
pwede siya
good.
ana. Basta as long as pwede raw siya matapsingan, pero
Okay.
there will be penalties. Actually kanay mga handball inana. Kanang kung dili
I
get
see.
tinuyo. Arm,
Oo.
dili pwede.
Mm-mm.
Head pwede.
Okay.
Shoulder pwede siya ana. Shoulder.
I see,
pwede
oo.
siya. Pero
So, ang arm
pero ang
and
dali,
hand.
no, and hands.
I
So,
see. Okay.
ana. So,
Oh,
anyway, before we proceed with
yes, kay more excited
teaching
na
you
ko
a
na
few
ang
a few skills, I would like to give you one
Wow!
of our
Oh my God, it's personalized.
So this is
Oh my God!
number 1.
Shucks! Number one.
Money ang
Thank
one
you.
so this is for you.
Yay!
Hopefully nga ganahan ka.
Atong suoton.
Oh, para-
Suoton na to siya.
Oh, pwede
Ay, I'm one of the last years member. Initiation ako karon. Oh, di ba?
Oh.
Sure.
Woo! Oh, yes.
Oh, di ba?
Dani. Timing George.
Number 1.
Diba?
Oh, initiation na to. Let's go, Char.
Okay.
Yes.
So first things first. So
Okay.
we go like this. So gamay lang siya nga. Gamay lang ta nga
Ikaw
space.
siguro, diha na ako ibutang ang
Ah.
mic para ano. Kaya ikaw mag-instruct. Ako
Oh, so
karon.
gamay lang ta nga space. Let's just go on the basics. So first, there are 3 kicks of football. So this is outside. Dari siya kay outside man siya sa. And then there's inside. Dari. So here. Ano siya? And then instep. But first lang. So gamay lang. Oh, ana.
Okay.
Ana. And then sige ana.
Okay.
Sige. And then we try to alternate.
Ana.
Oo, ana lang. Hinay lang. Pwede as a start, pwede mo siya i-stop. You can stop the ball and then kick. Ana, oh, stop and then kick. Oh, ana. Good. Oh, ana. Same lang gyapon. Ana, stop and then kick. Oh, ana. There are many ways to stop the ball. For example, kani, kung mo roll sa imo, pwede kana. Pwede pod ana.
Ah, okay.
So ana, oh.
Ah.
Ana. Sige. O, ana. And then, ana. Sige, it doesn't, it's okay. Okay. We understand nga, it's,
Basta first.
okay lang siya. Okay. It's okay.
Okay.
So, and then, same again. Then, ana, stop. Then, hinay. Pwede na hinay. Sige, at least, you get the gist, right? Kung, dari inside, outside, and then in step. Ay, no, this is 3 on 3.
Oh, okay. 3 on 3.
Oh, so 3 on 3 siya. So, ano lang, so we just practice ang among sa mong natunan sa mong drills, and then we apply it on a scrimmage game.
So that's all for our vlog today, mga momsies. Daghang salamat again, Lane, for this time. And again, for my t-shirt, personalized yun siya. I'm so happy. As in, feeling na ako, murag, I will be here often. Charing!
Pwede.
Diba?
Pwede biya ka mo join.
nanakoy coach.
Kuan lang kanang pasingot
Yes.
or
Oo, ka ng other environment o ka ng other, as you say, skill. Malay mo, na ako yun.
Yeah.
Nade ko skill ani nga wala akong kabalo karon pa na ako
Yeah.
ma-discover, di ba?
Sakto.
So thank you again. I will put on the description the official Facebook of Las Tias, and murag I can see official na ba ko nga member? feeling
Honorary
mag-probationary pa according pa sa ako ang videographer dari o behind the scene. Shout out Mars, dili daw. Last na lang ka, sunod ikaw ang Thank you again, and good luck sa inyong upcoming na tournament April 6.
Yes.
And please don't forget to follow them, and follow me also on my other digital platform. I'll see you on my next one. Godspeed. Bye bye.